Hello everyone, in this video I will review Life Extension Cardio Peak. Life Extension Cardio Peak is a cardiovascular supplement designed to support heart health, endurance, and overall heart function. The main ingredient, Terminalia argina bark extract, is standardized and clinically studied, known for help maintaining cardiovascular endurance, supporting the heart muscle, and improving the heart's ability to pump blood efficiently. It also helps reduce physical fatigue during exercise, making it beneficial for those who are active or want to maintain heart strength as they age. The supplement is focused on overall heart wellness rather than quick fixes or weight loss. Users generally report improved stamina and energy during workouts when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Life Extension, the brand behind Cardio Peak, is a reputable company in the supplement industry, known for research-backed formulas and quality manufacturing standards. Considering the clinically studied ingredients and the brand's reputation, Cardio Peak appears to be a legitimate supplement rather than a scam. However, like any supplement, results may vary per individual and it should not replace professional medical advice or treatment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.